Well, to find the perimeter, we first have to we have to add every side. So, in order to do that, we have to simplify and add all the numbers. So, and with the bottom and the top part, we have that if we add them, we know that they are 30 to the cubic root of 2. And then for the other part, which is the left side and the right side, we simplify them and we have 8 to the cubic root of 2. And we add them and we have that the perimeter is 38 to the cubic root of 2.
The first thing we're going to do is to simplify the R equation. The first term we're going to simplify is the 2x square root of 54 x3. This is if we simplify, we're going to have 6x square root of 6x. The other thing we're going to do is simplify the other term of 3x square root of 24x. It is going to give us also 6x square root of 6x. If we add this up, we're going to have 12x2 square root of 6x. The next step is to subtract the c term. This is going to give us 12x square root of 6x minus 3x square root of 6x. If we subtract, we're going to have 9x square root of 6x.
Exercise 2.2, the only thing we're going to do is to replace the x for 100. So after we simplify it, we are going to have as the final result 1,002,000 square root of 6.
So we know that we have to modify the value of minus 3 square root of 8 into minus 6 square root of 2. Then we multiply the first with the third, the first with the fourth, the second with the third, and the second one with the fourth. We get 10 square root of 36 plus 30 square root of 3 minus 12 square root of 12 minus 18 square root of 4. Then we have to modify the values. We know that 10 square root of 36 is equal to 60 minus 12 square root of 12 is equal to minus 24 square root of 3 and minus 18 square root of 4 is equal to minus 36. We do the additions and subtractions and we get 24 plus 6 square root of 3 as a result of the area of the rectangle.
The first thing you have to do is multiply a times b, which then leads to 24x to the third y second, which is the square root of that, which equals to 2xy square root of 6x. If you multiply them together, that leads to 6. So now we gotta put the v, which is volume, over the height, which is 24x third, which simplified, you start to get 8y to the third over x, which then at the end gets 2y to 2y and x, radical of x, which you then multiply by 2x to the radical of 6, which is the answer to the last, which you then get 8xy squared to the radical of 3y, which equals volume.